Google Sheets allows you to collect, sort, analyze, and manipulate data in meaningful ways. With built-in formulas, formatting tools, and easy to create charts and graphs, Google Sheets is a powerful data analysis tool. The Sheets allows multiple people to collaborate in real time. Changes and edits are instantaneous and everything is saved automatically. To get started, sign into your Google account. Then go to sheets.google.com. To create a Google Sheet, click the colorful plus square. In this example, we'll go through how simple it is to create a student grade sheet. First, in cell A1 through A4, enter the name of your students. Next, in cell B1 through B4, enter grade in the empty cells next to each student. To organize this data, hover your mouse over the head of column A and a drop-down arrow will appear. Click the arrow and find the arrow for Sort Sheet A through Z or Z through A. This will only affect the data you've selected. The table now shows grade for each student, sorted alphabetically. To get a grade average of a group of students, highlight cell B1 through B4. Click the sigma icon on the far right of the toolbar. Choose Average and hit Enter. The grade average will appear below the last cell you highlighted. Want to filter out certain data? For example, you might want to show only the students who receive a certain grade. You can use the filter to do just that. First, highlight the cells containing student grades and click the Filter button in the toolbar. Then, click the filter icon at the top of the first cell to see the options to filter the data. In this example, we are filtering out any grades below 90 using the greater than or equal to options. To stop filtering data, just click Filter button again and clear the settings. Just like a Google Doc and slides, you can change fonts, text size and text color in Google Sheets. On the left side of the toolbar, you'll see options for editing numbers. You can format number as currency, percentage, decimals, and more. On the right side of the toolbar, you'll find the Function button, which gives you a quick access to special formulas for your sheet. Google Sheets make it simple to create charts and graphs out of data. For example, let's go back to the student grade sheets we created earlier. Sometimes it might be helpful to view student grade as a bar graph. To create a graph, first highlight the data you want to graph, in this case, students' names and grades. Then, from the Insert menu in the toolbar, select Chart. Use the chart editor to set up and customize the appearance of your graph. Click and drag off your finished graph to move it around on your sheet. Sheets can be easily shared with collaborators just like docs and slides. Click the Share button in the upper right corner, add the email address of a collaborator, and choose the permission level. You can also share your sheets by creating a public link. Click the Share button and find the options to get a shareable link. Choose anyone with the link and set the permission level to Can View. This link can be pasted as a resource on a Google site, as materials in Google Classroom, or linked to Google Doc or slide presentations. I hope that was helpful, especially those of you looking for productivity tips and tricks. And if you got opinions, I know you do, or if you want to share with your experience with different types of tips and tricks, let us know in the comments below, because I know lots of people will find your experience helpful. By the way, you can get in touch with me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and my website. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.